Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll talk about Bityard. Bityard is a really good exchange for contract trading. If you want to do some contract trading, you can do in Bityard. They are giving some promotionals also, so you can earn from it and you can trade from it. Okay, they also give you demo account also to trade in real time of the crypto assets, so you get aware how to trade and you can get a good amount of profit ahead. If you try the demo version, then you upgrade your skills and then you can go and earn from the live version also. Okay, so they will give you some USDT to trade in demo account, so I will talk about it later, okay, in this video. So this is a really good exchange for contract trading. Now what is a contract trading? It's like leverage. If you have like 1 Bitcoin, you can trade with 10 Bitcoins if you have 10x leverage. Okay, so we'll talk about it in the future in this video. So let's go, and the link of this exchange will be given in description, so you can go and sign up there. I will tell you how to sign up, and let's get started. Okay, so I will give you the link of this sign up page. Okay, so you can go and sign up. You have to just give your email address over here, and then they will send you a verification code. After receiving the verification code, just hit your password and register, so you will be redirected to login page. Okay, so you have to just log in and then I will tell you what to do. Okay, so I have logged in my account and you can see this is the interface. Okay, so you can trade in Bitcoin to USDT pair, BCH to USDT pair. Okay, and many more cryptocurrencies are available in this pair. Okay, in USDT pair. Okay, so this is live account. Okay, I have like $3 in balance. Okay, the minimum you have to so the minimum trading amount is over here is like $5 to $10. Okay, and you can take leverage up to 100. Okay, so if you have like $5, okay, so you can take up to 100x leverage, so your amount will be around $500. Okay, so it shows over here that the quantity is 0.0514, which is equal to $500, and their initial fee will be around 0.74 to, if you get profit, it will cut $0.74. If you get loss, it will cut $0.74. It's initial fees. Okay, and then we will talk about the demo account. Okay, so in demo account you can see my balance is around 100k. So this is a trading for a purpose. Okay, you can trade with this how much time you, maximum time you can. Okay, there is no limit for this. Okay, if this balance is exhausted, you can add the funds. You can click on add funds and they will again reissue the funds in your wallet. Okay, so this is a really good initiative by the exchange where you can earn and learn both in the same exchange while trading. Okay, so you get the knowledge how to trade in this platform. Okay, then we will talk about their daily mining. Okay, and promotions they are running right now. Okay, so we'll first talk about daily mining. What is daily mining? So this is a really good feature where you can earn some coins, USDT. Okay, for free. Okay, so you have to just come here daily and just hit on mining button it, and then you have to just collect your funds. Okay, so to collect your funds, first you have to bind your mobile. Okay, so to bind your mobile, so you have to go to your user profile and you have to just go to your account securities, and in account securities you have to go in mobile verification, and there is many countries. There is USA, Bangladesh, Pakistan also available. Let me just search. Okay, sorry, Pakistan is not available right now. Let me search about Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh is also not available. So India is also available. India is only available in Asian countries, I think. So you can just sign up from here also. So the code is here, so I will just confirm my mobile phone and then let you know. Okay, so I have bind my mobile verification, and it takes some time, like around 20 to 30 seconds to receive the verification code, but it will receive then you have to go to your daily mining and collect the coins. Okay, so let me do that. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, so if you click on TRX, it will be collected in your bag, and then you have to just click on everyone to and collect every single coin. So okay, so I have collected almost every coin, and you can say that I have collected around this much amount of coins, so around 0.086 USDT of coins. Okay, so you have to just click on transfer, and this all assets will be transferred in and converted into USDT and transfer into your balance. Okay, so just hit on confirm and continue the verification captcha. Okay, so there you go. Success, 0.08 USDT has been transferred to your balance. So we'll check that out in assets and my assets. Okay, so there you can see I have successfully received a USDT amount. Okay, so this BYD coin is doing your mining daily. Okay, if you want to purchase BYD, the link will be given in the description where you can purchase this coin also. Okay, to increase your mining. I will also purchase it in near future. Then there is a promotion section over here where they give you welcome bonus. Okay, so if you bind your phone or email, you will get 1 USDT, which I have done right now. So I will click on get, and I have received it successfully. So let me just check you. Okay, so there you can see I have get $1 in just 1 second. Okay, so just you have to bind your account and you will get 1 USDT for free. Nothing to. Okay, so then if you set your username, you will get 1 USDT. Then if you conduct a demo trade, okay, if you do a demo trade once, you will get 2 USDT for just doing a demo trade. Okay, then if you trade only, if you conduct a live trade once, okay, so whether it is a loss or a win for you, profit for you, you will get 2 USDT for free. Then if you surpass the 10,000 in trading volume, then you will get 8 USDT for free. And then if you surpass 25,000 trading volume, you will get 18 USDT for free. So this is really good opportunity for you to buy the BYD token also. And for registration, you will get around 6 BYD. And now you can see I have 9 BYD, which they mine by itself. Okay, so this is a really good opportunity to get some free USDT and earn from the affiliate also. So I will show you how you can earn from affiliate. So you will get 60% commission every single trade where your affiliate. So if you refer one friend, okay, so he did $100 of trade, buy or sell, completed $100 trade. Okay, so you will get 60% of the trading fees. Okay, not the trade. Okay, if he buys or sells $100 of worth of Bitcoin and everything, okay, so you will not get $60. Okay, you will get a trading fees commission. Okay, so the commission they charge for the trading fees, you will get that in 60%. Okay, so this is a really good opportunity, okay, for you to earn from this and learn from this platform. I highly recommended you to sign up in this platform and earn and share the knowledge to others. So that was it for today's video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.